Hi guys, so we have completed our presentations. Now I will show you in this presentation how to set the design, transitions effect, animations and some different features. Right, so this is our first slide, University of ABC. Go to the second one and these are the subjects. So I will show you to set the animation effect. So press and control, so these are selected. Go to the animation, how you want to show these subjects to your audience, how they should appear. Okay, so civil effect is fine, right? So same is for the third one. And the go to our table. If you want to change the design of the table, different color of the table, you can change it from here, but I'm not going to change it. But please just observe what will happen when I will click on these features from the table style options group, right? So our table, and suppose if you want you can change the color of this graph as well, right, from here, but I'm not going to change it. Suppose our presentation is okay. So we set the transitions and the animations, and then go to the transition. So these are the different pattern, split, and I will say from here I will open the sound effect. This is the different effect, right? Bomb, this is the breeze, so I will say this is fine. Here I will set the time, I will say just 0.5. This is on the mouse click or automatic, so mouse is fine, right? And then is the design. So these are the different themes. This is the facet theme. If you do not the color of the facet theme, so you can change it from here. This is the blue, this one different color, but I said okay, the green one is fine for me, right? Suppose sometime it happens that someone wants that only I want to change the theme of the first slide, remaining will remain the same. So what you have to do, suppose if I want this, right click, apply to the selected slide. So this theme will apply on the first one, remaining are all okay, right? But I do not want this here. Then you have to go to the slide sorter view. In slide sorter view you can find out that this, okay, we can rearrange our slides. Okay, smart art graphic, you say okay, this is okay, right? And then we have to set the header and footer. Here in footer, slide number or date and time, and in footer we can write down Saima Academy, right? And apply to all slides. So you will see here. So our presentation is done. Now we want to show it to the audience in the slide show. So this is the slideshow view, and here is also, right? And then click, and then click, because we have set on the mouse click, it is not automatically, but you can set it on automatically as well. And thank you. So you have learned step by step how to make the PowerPoint presentation, and I hope you have enjoyed my videos. Thanks for watching it, but please do not forget to subscribe my channel on YouTube, Saima Academy. Thank you very much.